Hello everyone, it is Mr. Kitchens again in my 80s pink polo shirt, and I'm going to be starting the first video for week 2 of online instruction. And believe it or not, you are already on the second embedded assessment of Unit 3. So we're going to be finishing Unit 3 this week. And hopefully you remember that this assessment is going to be creating a presentation. A lot of you have already been asking me about this over the past couple weeks or so, and now you're actually going to start making them. So here we are on Springboard Digital. You're going to scroll to Embedded Assessment 2. Remember, you can go to the table of contents. Unit 3, it's going to be all the way at the bottom. All the way at the bottom here. We are skipping all of this stuff here because it requires you to watch that movie Invictus that we started watching before school got canceled. And I don't want to get into any copyright or legal trouble or anything like that. So we are just going to skip them. I didn't think they were totally necessary anyway. I think you're ready for this. Creating a biographical presentation. So the learning target or the assignment is going to be creating a biographical multimedia presentation. So I'm going to highlight that for this video. Remember, you can do that. You can mark the text, do different colors, and all sorts of cool stuff like that. I've been loving watching your Flipgrid videos so far. So you're going to be starting with planning and pre-writing as usual. We still have to do some pre-writing even though this is not an essay. It is a presentation on Google Slides, but we still got to do some drafting or pre-writing. So the first question is, who are some possible subjects or great leaders who have contributed to positive change? So we need to make sure that this change is positive, okay? We need to be focusing on positive leaders, not people that are causing division or controversy or anything like that. So on Google Classroom, you're going to see this. It's not even 11 a.m. on Sunday, and I'll probably post these any minute now. You'll see this time I've made it a little bit more clear for you and your parents, okay? So day 1 through 2, try to get this done Monday and Tuesday if you can. This is all due the end of Saturday, but this is a suggestion. And I would really appreciate it if you got this one done towards the beginning so I could make sure you are checked in and we don't have to worry about attendance. So it's going to be days 1 through 2 and then 3 through 5. So this one's very, very short. The learning target's what I just said earlier. The essential question has been what makes a great leader for this half of the unit. And we got quite a few writing standards. So here's the first assignment. Please watch the video for explaining, which is this one. So you're watching this video, and then you are just answering these 3 questions that I basically got from Springboard. So who are some great leaders? You're literally just going to be answering these in a comment or even on a Google Doc. I don't really care. But these are the same ones as Springboard. So list some possible leaders you could start researching. That would be good for this assignment. And then what research strategies or research questions can you use? We only really talked about the KWHL thing, like what you know and what you want to know, how you're going to learn. You could just type in a couple of research questions there, like why did Nelson Mandela go to prison would be an example for that. And then what kinds of visuals will you need to create? That one's important because this is a multimedia presentation. So you're going to have to make graphs and charts and maybe a little video clip or something like that. We're going to try to make it interesting. So when you go to the second assignment, you'll see I created this for you. So it says what the assignment is on the first slide, and then I created a basic layout for you. So you're going to need the history, character, and actions of a great leader. You're going to need an annotated bibliography. I'll go over that in the second video, but you will be able to type in this later on. But Monday and Tuesday, if you can at least choose your leader, think of some research questions and a couple of visuals that you can use, then you're going to be in good shape. And then again, you're really just focusing on the first two boxes for the first couple of days. You'll have to start researching again. You can create note cards, or you could just start using that the bibliography page. Use ezbib.com or something like that. And yeah, you're just gonna choose a leader, come up with some research questions, and start researching. So good luck. Stop in my office hours, and hopefully I can answer all of your questions. See you in the next video.